Hello everyone. Let's see three simple way to remove comma from this value. The first one by using formula is equal to number value and you need to give the text. So you can select this close bracket, press enter and now you can see the comma has been removed. So let's exchange this formula. Here is the result. Now let's see the next option. I just copy this entire data, paste it here and the second option is right click on this data, go to format cell and then here go to numbers. You can notice here the use 100,000 separator has been ticked. Just untick this, click OK. Now you have the data. So next, let's see the next option. Copy this, paste it here. Very simple option. Select this, go to this tab. You have custom selected. Now just make it general. The commas are removed. Thank you.